everyone, welcome to my new channel Vatslika show. This is launching in YouTube, so don't forget to watch all videos of mine. So today we will make a bookmark. So for this new book of mine, the series of Wimplicate the Deep End, the brand new Wimplicate book. So if you want, so the link is in description. Don't forget to see the description. So I was reading the book. Then I turned the page of it. I thought that when I will read it again, so it would do. So I have done this. Then I closed the book. Then the book will think that I give her education, learning. She turns my page book. No. This is not fair with the book. So we will make the bookmark. So that book will feel very nice and amazing bookmark. So let's see what are the materials. 1 scissor. Make sure one needle should be there. Then 1 scale that should be 15 centimeter or 30 centimeter. Then you need some crayons, plastic crayons. To make it sure, you should not use the oil pastels because that makes it oily some. Then you need a pen or a pencil. Then an A4 size sheet. If you have another sheet, don't use colored, only use the white color. So it would be nice for you. So guys, she is my cute little sister. She is 2 years old. Say hi. Yes. She loves to talk with you all. So subscribe for her. She will like. Subscribe. She is also saying subscribe. So let's get started. When she will do comedy, then I will make it. So I will first take this scale and... Hey, why did you take my pen? Why? Hey, see guys, she's taking my own pen. Gimme. It's mine. My sister has made you laugh with that. So now we will make a bookmark. So we will take from the side to 15 centimeter. Then we will make it here 5 centimeter. Then again we will do that. Now we will cut it. We will make the cut sign of the bookmark. So we will make some triangles like this. Come on, Vedhika, you also do. Okay, you have done. Guys, so try Vedhika's also. She will also make very nice. So Vedhika is serious now. Now here we have made it triangle. Then we will make some curve here. So, Vedhika has made it haircut. So, we have also made. So, I have made some triangle here. Then down I have made some curve. So, it looks very nice. Vedhika, what are you doing now?
Like this.
So, she's cut. She is making this some triangle. So, now we will cut it. So, from here then I have this curve. you have a cousin or a sibling, so do this activity with them also. They will also feel very nice. So I have done this curve. Then I will cut from here. So we have made it from a pencil side. Now Vedhika, can I cut yours? So now Vedhika is asking to cut her paper. So Vedhika is very nice than mine. Yes? So let's cut her like this shape. Vedhika, now I've done your knife. I have done it. Let's make some curve here also. Yes, see Vedhika's. So now it's curling time. So guys, I'm finally done and Vedhika is doing her finishing. So I will tell you the differences of Vedhika and my bookmark. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye. Vedhika, say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.